Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Nogegase Obaseki.
I have the singular honor. I have the singular honor and privilege to open the office for the 20th edition of the National Sports Festival, Edo 2020, this 27th day of January 2020. We are on to hosting, like you said, the best sports festival ever in the history of Nigeria. We have taken time to not only ensure that the organizing committee, both the national organizing committee and the local organizing committee, have been very granular in the way they have undertaken the planning for this festival. You can see just from the ambience in this office the state of preparedness. We have a lot of work to do. We're barely 10 weeks away from the games. The good thing is that the tartan tracks have been laid, the infrastructure at the Obaseki Stadium, the infrastructure is being completed. Our team is in preparation stage, and I'm sure that the training will be intensified. So with an office like this, we've created a very conducive environment where a lot of work, a lot of planning can take place to ensure that we have a record-breaking national sports festival. So I want to thank the chairman of the organizing committee and all of you who have worked very, very hard to ensure that the preparations for the games are in top gear. Let me thank the contractor who has been able to deliver this facility in record time. With offices like this, like I said, in ambience like this, we have no reason not to work 24/7 for the next 10 weeks to make sure that we have, or we put up a record-breaking sports event. We want to set new standards, and this is clearly one of the ways to go in sports management in Nigeria. Congratulations. And you can tell that this office is world-class. It's a very conducive environment for work. Apart from this office, in terms of the physical infrastructure, I was flying over with Samuel Obaseki Stadium today, and you can tell that the base for the tartan tracks have been laid. The pitch, football pitch is ready. The lawn tennis section is being completed. The swimming pools are being, finished. So the infrastructure, the key infrastructure we need for the games, are being completed. The campaign will break sometime next week. The president will be receiving the torch at the end of this month. and athletes are being organized for camping. So, and so all major areas that would ensure a successful Games Fiesta have been taken care of.
What we have done is we are going to host and win clean. And what we've done is to start up with Edo State Sport Festival, which is going to start on the 10th of February. After that tournament, that is where we get our team for Team Edo. From there, they go straight to camping. We don't want to give anybody shirt. What we've done is the state athletes, those that won gold, they are seeded for the state finals. And we're also using it to get new talent from the local government. So you might see an upset like we had with Lagos, where the table tennis, when she had to leave Lagos to go for Rivers, and a local table tennis player defeated her at the game. I don't want to call her name, but you know who I'm talking about. So we want to give all the local government the benefit of that, new talent to be discovered, but we seeded all our gold medalists hopeful for the final. So from the games, they are all moving to camp.